Juan, thank you very much for your time. A pleasure speaking to you. Can we start by telling a little bit more about your company, what your field of expertise, please?
Yeah, thank you very much for your kind invitation. Yeah, my company is called Spinnia. We are asset managers, mainly in Spain and Portugal, although we are also now opening a platform in Mexico. Yeah, we are originators. We structure operations, then we act as GPs. Yeah, and we develop the projects to at the end with our investors. Yeah, mainly we focus in logistics and industrial. Yeah, also we develop land in Spain and Portugal. Yeah, and this summarizes a bit what we are.
Fantastic. We are just having here in St. Moritz a conversation about the year we have ahead, and we're discussing different kind of trends, threats, and when you listen to the conversations and when you go back to the office, reading your newspaper, talking to your clients, to employees, other investors, is there anything that worries you, that would keep you up at night eventually?
Yes and no. Yeah, I mean there is a lot of noise. Yeah, in the media, in the market. I mean, obviously there are real problems, real threats, real challenges ahead. Yeah. However, I mean, life is not easy and never will be, probably. Yeah. We see that at the end of the day, it's a severe contest. Yeah, between the reality or what do you perceive from the reality and which are your strengths. Yeah, because nowadays, I mean, nobody doubts that, for instance, the office asset class is struggling. Yeah, especially in America,
Of course.
but also in Europe. Yeah. However, if you have an angle, if you are a specialist in that asset class, yeah, obviously you can see that you have, I mean, huge headwinds, yeah, but probably you have the skills and the resources to overcome this, yeah, okay, and maybe you are going to invest in, I don't know, in a different way, or maybe you're going to do, I don't know, review your strategy at the end of the day. But I don't see an office specialist moving to retail or moving to logistics or moving to here and there because of this. Yeah. Although we have, I mean, these challenges. Yeah.
Of course.
So it's a bit with us. Yeah. Same. So we see we have this kind of problems. Yeah. I mean, there are problems ahead. There are in the market, in geopolitics, in etc. But we stick to our
plan, right?
Yeah, we stick to the plan because we believe in our strengths.
And when we look at the best opportunities, when you look at the market now, and you are active in different kind of markets, if you had to pick the most important opportunity or the best opportunity right now in real estate, what would that be?
Again, this depends a lot on your skills. Yeah, depends a lot on whether you have more or less equity.
But for you, what is the best one for you now?
For us,
is it Mexico? That's you doing logistics in Mexico. Mexico with nearshoring, would that be something?
Nearshoring for us, I mean, nearshoring is a reality in Mexico, and for us is a big opportunity. Yeah, we can add our specialist expertise in industrial and logistics to a market that is booming. Yeah, this is one thing. Yeah, but we can also concentrate in logistics in Spain and Portugal in very precise locations. Yeah, we have some projects over there.
It's always about having the right asset, the right location, the right product. I suppose when you deal with real estate, having this kind of expertise makes a lot of difference.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, location is a must. Yeah, I can say. Obviously, your capital structure is also, very important in these days. Yeah, and also putting your skills and your expertise in the game. You must you cannot be. You cannot master everything.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
okay.
And a final question here. We have 2024 with challenges in the Middle East conflict, Trump's election. We keep talking about artificial intelligence and how it can disrupt the world. We talk about the office market, facing big challenges in Europe and in the States especially. But do you consider yourself optimistic for 2024? Do you believe the real estate sector will do better? Or do you believe that inflation, high interest rate will still push us for another year where we're going to be waiting and to see what's going to happen next?
We are optimistic, moderately optimistic, because the market is very, it's competitive, and challenges that you are pointing out are there.
Right.
Yeah. So again, if you are smart enough to be aware of your strengths and do the right thing, I think you can succeed. Yeah. Not everything works.
Of course.
Yeah, obviously. But we are optimistic because we know what we do. We know the markets we are in. Yeah. And we know that we are adding value every day. Yeah. This is a question that we do to ourselves all the time when taking decisions. Are we adding value? Are we adding value?
Perfect.
Because at the end of the day, this is something that, at the end, at the exit, somebody must pay for. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay. So if we are adding value all the time, we feel in the right direction.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Juan. Very good speaking to you.
Thanks to you.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Very much.